Hi friends, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and again I am back with a new video. As you all know, I am a booktuber and I am making videos on this book. The name of this book is The Laws of the Spirit World. As I always say, this book is this big and I cannot make full book in one video. So what I am doing is that I am making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand in a proper way, friends. Okay. So in our last topic, I have covered the concept called suicide is a sin. Okay. And in our today's topic, I am going to cover the concept called the high good souls. Okay. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So when you will understand, when you will see the video in the sequence wise, you will understand in the proper way. As this is 64th number video. And friends, do subscribe my channel, like the video, hit the bell icon. So whenever I update a new video, you will get the notification, friends. Okay. So I will start. 11/6/1981, 11 June 1981. The High Good Soul. Okay. This is the name of the topic. There is only one God, our God Almighty. But our dearest God have plenty of soul who help him make every soul pure. Here, Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshet Bhavnagari that we have only one God, right? But we have many good souls, nearest and dearest soul of God Almighty. So, who help all the souls to be pure and come to God Almighty. Honest, loving, understanding, obliging, good, and wise. These helpers are just human like us, all and went through what people on earth and spirit being are going through. Here Vipsi and Ratu is telling thing this the helpers of God Almighty or where the human being like us, like me and you who used to stay in this earth, who gone to all the problem by which each and every human being goes. By purifying themselves, by completing the test and training today, they are the nearest and dearest of God Almighty. So this is a big lesson for us. Means if we also do the same way, if you continue our karmic lessons and everything, and one day we can also be good our nearest and dearest soul of our God Almighty. They reincarnated hundred of times after going up and down and again finally reached this level. These helper are called his high good souls, and at very top is the highest good soul. Here Vipsi and Ratu is telling this soul, all the souls are called as high good soul, and top of this there are highest good soul. So these souls are nearest and dearest to God Almighty, and our God Almighty loves them very much. It's not like that God Almighty doesn't. God Almighty love everybody, but these souls are nearest and dearest soul to God Almighty. This Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshet Bhavnagari. On higher realm we see them often, but on realm 4 and lower they can rarely be seen, as they prefer to remain invisible because it makes their work easier. Here Vipsi and Ratu is telling on the higher realm they are often seen, but from realm 4 and the lower realm they are seen very rarely, and that also they be invisible so that it makes their work easier. So what purpose they are going in that realm? They achieve much success in their work to improve bad or evil soul, making them understand what is right and wrong, and also instructing them on how to pay off their karma in a less and horrible and quicker way. Here Vipsi and Ratu is telling this high good soul goes on each and every realm, try to improve all the soul and try to explain them that how could they pay off their karma in a very less time and in a very less horrible way, or how to reach the higher realm sooner, or how they can reach the higher realm sooner, right? So these are their basic work who teach to all the souls, all the bad souls, and try to make them good and pure souls. Whenever they are near us, we feel happy and cheerful. If we need any help, they help us at once. As soon as any soul, even from Realm 1, calls for help, this high good soul are in there in minutes. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshet Bhavnagari that if any soul need their help, they are always there to help you even in one call. Even in from the lowest realm, in the realm 1 also anybody calls him, hey highest good soul, please help him. Within a single minute they are there to help them. Even on earth, if a soul genuinely and sincerely calls for help, help is given at once. It doesn't matter whether that soul is on realm 1 or on the earth on a higher level. Genuine call for help will always be answered. So here a very interesting point Vipsi and Ratu is telling us. Even in this earth world also, if anybody is in problem and say and he says that, hey highest good soul, hey God Almighty, please help me, please help me to show my way, please help me, even in within single minute they are there to help us. And they doesn't see that we are from the lower realm, we are from the lower realm 1 or from the higher realm in the earth. They always help to us, and our work is to keep faith on them and trust, yes, and we should always be in the correct and genuine path, in a godly path. You may have often heard stories about soul on earth who called for help from God and miracle happened. You may have even called for help in very tense situation and receive help in some very odd way, which you could call a miracle. Here Vipsi and Ratu is telling, many a time we are in problem, right, and we say God please help us, and immediately help come in any certain way. Even we do not realize, we say this God have helped us. So this is a miracle that they performed sitting in the spirit world, and if required they come in our world to help us. Even your loved ones in the spirit world can and do save you many times. You can be sure that your loved ones in the spirit world care for you a great deal. Here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us, our loved ones in the spirit world always care for us and always try to save us and always try to help us in each and every situation, and we should admire them and we should be thankful to the help they are giving. Even we do not know who is our loved ones because we do not have the memories of the spirit world, so always we should thank our loved ones and our spirit and the spirit world and the highest good soul who always help us in this journey. Always remember that true love never dies, not even after death. On earth, love is greater than death. Here, Vipsi and Ratu is telling the true love never dies, not even on the earth, because love is always greater than life, and true love always be there. Love is eternal, death is just a transition. This is very important thing. Vipsi and Ratu is telling love is eternal, but death is just a transition. We're just leaving a old costume and going to the new costume. As in Bhagavad Gita, it is said by Bhagwan Shri Krishna, Lord Shri Krishna. From the world to another, from one body to another, from earth to heaven or hell. Yeah, Vipsi and Ratu is also saying the same thing. Um, Death means going, leaving this earth world and going to the heaven or hell according to our karma, which karma we have did. If we do good karma, we will definitely go in heaven. But if we did bad karma in our life, definitely we will go in hell. Nobody can stop us going from in hell. Death is not something big at all, but love is extraordinary great. Here Vipsi and Ratu is telling, death is not something big, but love is extraordinarily great. Now let's talk a little bit more about God Almighty's helper. So here Vipsi and Ratu is giving us more information about the helpers of God, Lord Almighty. We call them high good soul and you call them angel. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling on the spirit world they call them high good soul, and in our world we call them angel, right? We must point out that angels do have wings, however, as they move real faster, their robes look like wings. Here Vipsi and Ratu is telling, we often say angel have wings because they move very much faster and their robe completely look like wings. Just as they are able to take human form, they are able to create wings to impress non-believers. So they can take any form, and even they can, this highest good soul can take human forms also. And they, by taking human forms, they impress us by showing the wings so that we believe them and we see, understand, yes, they are angel and we believe them. So earth soul see wings and believe that an angel gave them the message and helped them. So all the earth soul, when we see that yes, this person is having wings, we trust them. Yes, he is definitely, he or she is an angel who have came from the spirit world. So we trust them more. So for our to gain our trust, they often show their wings to us. High good soul are very humble, considerate and understanding. They even relax certain of God Almighty's law in certain cases. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling they are high as good soul, are very understanding, very nice to us. They also relax some of the laws of the God Almighty, right? Some of the they try to relax, or because if we did anything wrong and we are into punishment and we say God please help us, so yes they say okay fine, at least this much I release relax this much for you. So in the same way they relax some of the laws of God Almighty in certain cases. Terms and condition applied. By first making a request to His highest good soul, who ask our God Almighty. So here also they also have to take request from highest good soul. Even they take permission from God Almighty. This permission is urgent. This permission in urgent situation come within seconds or minute. If it is not urgent, it takes few hours or at the most a few days. Here Vipsi and Ratu is telling when a highest good soul gives the application to God Almighty, even the permission comes in second or minute, and even in sometime in hours. And if it is urgent, and if it is not urgent, then it even takes some days to come. But it definitely comes. Whenever we want something that is not permissible, we appeal to the head of our realm. He will hear us out carefully and ask some question. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling about the journey of the spirit world. When in the spirit world anybody wants something, so from the something for some earth soul, they have put the application on the or the head of the realm, and the head of the realm asks them some questions. And if he feels our request is genuine and he will not harm anyone, he will put a request to our highest good soul to seek permission from our God Almighty. So here if that highest good soul of that realm feels right, it is really genuine and he won't harm anybody. So he puts a request to God Almighty to seek the permission. This is a difference between earth world and the spirit world. The rulers of our realm are so humble, understanding and considerate that they can always feel free to talk to them. Here Vipsi and Ratu is telling this is the difference between the earth and the spirit world, because in the spirit world the rulers are so humble that they do not afraid to talk with them, they do not afraid to go with them, they easily go them, speak them, tell them their problems, and even they solve their problems and give them the conditions that why these things can be solved or why these things cannot be solved. They are so honest, kind and loving that we never fear them. They are so selfless that we fully trust them. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling this highest good soul are so nice, so humble that we always trust them, we always help them. We do not ask them any questions or we do not afraid. This Vipsi and Ratu is telling going to that what he will think or what she will think. It doesn't happen in the spirit world. They lovingly and kindly make us understand that certain things are wrong and why they are wrong. Even if they do not grant any permission, and they make understand why we can't grant you permission, and if it is wrong then why it is wrong. They never reject our request in a rude manner. If they think it is wrong, they will explain this to us and help us understand why it is not possible. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling if something is wrong, they will explain us why it is wrong. They do not speak in a rude manner, no, it cannot happen, or I will see, I will tell. They tell. If it is right, then they give the approval. If it is not right, they say that no, it cannot be approved because of this terms and condition, because of this terms it cannot be approved. So they are so good, so nice and so humble. They are very reasonable and kind hearted. We fully trust and respect them. Here Vipsi and Ratu is telling they are so kind hearted, they are so nice that in the spirit world everybody loves them, trusts them and respect them. Obeying them happily because we know they will never let us go wrong. So they are being obeyed happily because in the spirit world everybody knows that they are not wrong, then they are not going to harm us in any point of time. Those are God Almighty's helper, our high good soul, and your angel. So Vipsi and Ratu is telling those soul are God Almighty's helper, our high good soul, and our angel, right? So friends, this topic came to an end. So in our today's video, I've covered the topic called the high good soul, and in our next video, I'm going to cover the topic called what is good deed. Okay. So friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I am doing is that I am making this full book in each and every video so that you people can understand it in a better way. Okay. And friends, and even I'm giving to number to each and every video. So as the number of this video is 64th number video, right? So do subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, like my video, so whenever I update a new video you will get a notification. And friends, one day we'll meet in the spirit world and you will say that we used to be in the earth world, I used to see your videos, and today we are in the spirit world. Okay, till then, goodbye. I will meet you in the next video. Okay friends, till then stay happy and I will meet you in the next video. Okay, till then, goodbye.